Boss is on his way.
This guy's a beast. Goes through all that crap that...
Let me take this. I'm fading, man! I'm stuck! I'm done!
I was hoping you'd show up. Saves me the trouble of having to hunt you down.
You just don't know when to quit, Sionis.
Guess we've got that in common.
One way or another, I'm taking you in. Now we can do this the easy way.
Yeah, or the hard way. But I think you know my choice.
Then we've got that in common, too.
Figured I'd run into... We're on a...
Try me.
No more funny games! You're mad! What are we doing?
A simple feat. Precision strike.
You're no match for us! Is he freaking out? I never wanted to hurt you!
Alfred, let GCPD know Roman Sionis has been apprehended. They can pick him up at the church.
Straight away, sir.
You know what's so great about you, Batman? Even when I lose, I win. So go ahead, call the cops. They'll lock me up, sure. But my lawyer will have me out on bail before the sun's up. And you know what I'm gonna do when I get out? I'm gonna dedicate every waking minute to tracking you down and taking you out. And the best part is, there's not a damn thing you can do about it. Because that justice system you love so much, it's a scam. And you, well, you're the mark. Because you keep tossing us in, and we keep bouncing right back